Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna and Happy New Year to all of you. I wish you all the best this year on everything. But today we are making up, I call the best chewy soft cookie because it is a delicious cookie and it's definitely different. But this is what you will be needing. Okay, here in my bowl, I have 1 cup of soft real butter, and I have 3 tablespoons of canola oil, or vegetable, or corn. And I'm going to get my sugar here. It's my brown sugar and my white sugar. And I'm just going to beat this up till it's light and fluffy, a couple of minutes. Okay, I beat mine about a minute, probably not even a minute, because my butter was pretty soft. Okay, we're going to add our eggs. Where there went the whites to both of them, it looked like. One at a time, that way it mixes in well. Now, I'm going to add in, I don't even know if I told them what kind of cookies these were. They're actually, they have pudding in them and some banana chips I'm using. And I'll hydrate these, rehydrate them in some hot water for about 20 minutes and then chop them up. I'm going to go ahead and put my, this has to be instant, guys. Make sure it's instant. Banana cream. And this is the 3.4 ounce box. And we'll get that in there. These cookies are delicious, you guys, and I sure hope you try them. I really do. And we'll just beat this now, maybe a minute and a half or so. Okay, when I put in that pudding there, I forgot to put my vanilla in there. Can't leave that out. Okay, just get that mixed in there. Now I'm going to move this out of the way. Here I have my flour. Now flour is very important on your measurement. Every time I bake, I have to explain that because so many people make cookies and they're like, they came out dry. A lot of people do this. They pack it. You're packing that cup. You're getting more than you need. So fluff your flour up. Let it all fall into place and then just level it off. Level it. Don't pack it. Don't do this. Don't press it, nothing. Or, even better, you could scoop it like this. Let it all just fall into place. Let it overflow a little bit and then level it off. You don't want to pack this into your canister because you'll be getting more flour than you need, okay? But there's my flour. I'm going to go ahead and add my baking soda. My cornstarch. And my salt. And I'm just going to whisk this up. And I'm going to put that put my flour right over top of my wet. We're just going to mix this in. We'll get it just about till it's incorporated. You're still going to see some dry flour because if we try to fold those chips in with this fully mixed, it just makes it harder. Just until it's just about mixed. Okay. In my bowl here, I have my bananas, my dry banana chips here that I rehydrated because they are like chips. They're hard. So you're going to soak your banana chips and chop them up however big you want them. I just got little pieces chopped up in there. And before you chop them, make sure you drain all that hot water off of these and pat them dry much as you can with a paper towel because you don't want a lot of moisture in there. So what I like to do to make it easier to work all this through is add a little bit at a time, and I'm going in with about maybe 1 3/4 cups of chips because I like to save some for the top. And I'm using white chocolate chips of your choice. And just kind of, let me move this over here. Gently move this around. Seriously, guys, though, you guys got to try these. They are so good. I'm going to put some more banana. Some more chips. Now, you can use the whole bag here, which is an 11-ounce bag. But like I said, I like to save some so I can put some on the top when they come out. So move these around. And I'll add the rest of the banana. Just kind of evenly spread that around there. Okay. A little bit more chips. Now I'm going to finish mixing this. And I'll save the rest, which maybe 1/4 cup in there, I guess. And I'm going to chill this for 30 minutes. All right, we'll be back. Okay, mine actually chilled in the fridge for about 40 minutes because you want to chill it because this prevents it from spreading so much as you're baking it. And I like thick cookies, so I definitely would suggest chilling it until your dough is, you know, not real. The dough's not sticky to begin with, but don't chill it too long because then your cookies won't spread at all, and you'll be left with a big chunk that don't spread. But 35 to 40 minutes. And if your house is warm, when you get, if you're cooking only on one baking sheet, go ahead and put it back in the fridge because you don't want it getting too warm on you. Okay, now I like to go in with 1/4 cup size. No small cookies around here. So what I like to do is just get me a big old ball of that cookie dough. Now you can put it on there just like that. Just roll it into a ball and set it on there. Or you can make it into a little log like I like to do because it gives you a better cookie. So you have that little log, but you want to press it down to make sure it's going to, I just get the back of my hand and cup it and slightly press it. That way it sticks to that parchment paper and you'll get a thicker cookie that way. So I'm going to get these lined up, and maybe 15 minutes before you know your cookies dough is going to come out of the refrigerator, go ahead and get your oven preheated to 375. And I'm going to get these. These are pretty big cookies, guys. So I'm going to get probably 6 to 8 on this half sheet pan here. My oven's ready and they're going in. I'm going to get them all baked up and we'll be back with the presentation. And I am going to have me a cookie. Okay, my friends, there's the cookies. And mine baked 13 minutes. The first batch. The second batch took 15 minutes because I had my cookie dough in the refrigerator, so it chilled a little bit longer. But these cookies, when they come out, that's when I just stuck the little extra. I had probably more like 1/3 of a cup left of chips, and I just pierced them in there and let them dry. Let them set on your cookie sheet a minute before you remove them, and let them cool and let these chips dry. And I just finished telling Curtis there's something I wanted to tell them, and I don't remember what it was. I think it was the 13 minutes first batch, but their cookies are going to look underdone. When you touch them and they come out, they're going to feel really soft, but I promise they will set up. It's important not to over bake these cookies. They come out nice and soft and chewy, and see how thick those are? Let me break one open for y'all so you can see it. Look at that. They're so moist and chewy. And those banana chips in there, oh man. Mmm. Tastes so good. Tastes so good. I made some of these, what, about a week ago?
Oh, is it good?
These were actually for Christmas for y'all. But I got so busy, I figured, well, when I come back, we'll do these cookies up for them because I really want you guys to try these. If you love bananas like we do, they are so good. And the texture of these cookies are really good. But anyway, 13 and 15 minutes. Yours may take a little bit longer, may take a little bit less. Just don't overbake them. They'll get light brown. And I just wish it was something I wanted to tell them. I don't remember what it was. Oh, I think that's what it was. How to store these. I ended up getting 18 cookies, but I'm sure you can get more than that, but you'll have to adjust your cooking time. But what I like to do with these cookies, it keeps them longer. I'll individually wrap them in some saran wrap. Then I'll put them in a Ziploc bag. That way they're ready to go for snacks or to lunch for somebody or just because you want to give a few away. It helps hold in that moisture in that cookie and they keep longer. So if you can do that, it's well worth it. You'll keep your cookies longer. But these sure are good, you guys. Look at that cookie. They baked up beautiful in my red hands. But Happy New Year's to you guys. If I ever miss something, like always, I'll put it in the description. Any questions that I may have um, done something that I was, or forgot something. But anyway, Happy New Year's to you guys. Make you up some of these cookies. I tell you, be glad you did. Bye-bye.